So here we are at Ginger Wolf Distillery for probably one of my last runs with this company, not as a head distiller, master distiller, but with Ginger Wolf this will possibly be one of my last runs, which is sad and exciting at the same time. So over the last couple of years, from the concept to the build out to the actual distillation, which you're watching right now, we built everything in-house. We designed, engineered, custom created, and manufactured everything that you're about to see 100% in-house from scratch. Based off of industry ideas that I had spoken to some experts about, as well as some of the concepts I thought would work that maybe had not been tried yet. So this is what we ended up with. So we've got 210 gallons of distillation taking place right now. You've got two 105-gallon Bain Marie jacketed boilers. Each have the opportunity to have several plates added into them with the deflamators. And then we go into the split out of the whiskey column, the vodka column, the gin column, and then the condenser, and obviously then to the hooch. What's interesting about this design, particularly other than other designs, is that we did the double boilers so that we could do multiple iterations of our mash-ins and our distillate runs, being one having an apple base, one maybe having a rye base, so on and so forth, and allowing us to actually blend in the condenser arm versus blending as a finished batch. The other thing that we did, which is really spectacular, is in boiler one, if you follow this, it goes up through the plates, through the deflator, across the line arm, and then we added this custom piece in which takes it right back down, and if you look right here, it goes right into boiler two. That then goes all the way into the bottom of boiler two, brings all the vapors from boiler one, all the flavors, the esters, and everything else we're looking for, melds them in boiler two with what we have actually blended in boiler two, and then we start sending it back up the plate. So we've got four plates here, one plate in boiler one, so 5 plates passed through so far. Then it's going to go across the line arm, and then we're going to go down into the whiskey column. The whiskey column consists of 5 bubble plates as well, and then to the deflator. We've bypassed the vodka column today because we are doing an apple whiskey. But you could run right into the whiskey column and then into the vodka column, and then if we wanted to, if we were doing a gin or something, another flavor iteration, we could go into what's very cool. This is a 3-chamber gin basket, which is layered so that we can actually stack the botanicals, the fruits, or whatever we're using for additional flavor based on viscosity and also based off of density of vapors. Then we head over to our condenser, which we have an additional hop basket in so we can add final flavor if we wanted to in that last tea right there, and then we go out to the parrot. Now, if you watch on the parrot right now, this is really cool. We're averaging between 189 and 190 on our distillate run right now, and that's without running the vodka column. So that's running only the double boilers, the whiskey column, and nothing else. So imagine what we could do if we got into the vodkas and the gins with this system. So what we've done is we've taken the ideas from the past, the ideas from the future, if you will, almost, and have melded them into what you're now seeing as Ginger Wolf's first still. And this will probably, like I said, unfortunately, be my last run with the company. This is my creation from my head, and this is my last run as an apple whiskey, so it's kind of exciting and bittersweet at the same time. So stay tuned, I guarantee there'll be more to come.